Hey everyone, welcome to Refurb Wednesdays. Today we're looking at an update of one of the properties. We're coming towards the end now, which is great. So we've started the second fix joinery. We're just about to start the second fix plumbing. So I'm looking forward to seeing this one completed. Let's jump inside and have a look exactly what the progress has been so far. Okay, so we're here. This is the 3-bedroom HMO with en suites. So everything's been all skimmed in here. We're just waiting for the second fix plumbing to be finished, and we're also going to have the radiators being installed fairly soon. So second fix plumbing has started. So we're in the first bedroom here. So everything's all plastered out here. It looks really, really good. Really happy with that. And we've got the ensuite downstairs, which is going to work very, very well. All right, so we've got the actual shower tray here. We've got the toilet that's still got to get fitted, and then we've got the basin that's going to be in here. Okay, so it is going to be a little bit tighter than normally what we like, but it still works really, really well. Okay, so with regards to this property, okay, we've had to obviously change a lot of the configuration around with regards to utilizing some space in this room over here, which I've explained in previous videos. So if you haven't checked out previous videos for this property, just click up here and then you'll be able to kind of check out what this looked like before. So what we had to do is take some of the space over here. So we've done that, and then we've been able to literally utilize this space so we can have a good sized double bedroom in that bedroom over there. Okay, we're obviously going to have a TV on here for the communal area. Now coming over here to the kitchen area, what we have done is we've actually broken up this wall, and we've obviously supported this as well. So we've got a support beam above to open up this space and just changes the dynamics of the property. Kitchen is pretty much installed. We've just got the doors to go on the fridge and the freezer. All right, we've only got 3 tenants in this property, so therefore we've got enough cupboard space for everyone. So 1 cupboard at least for each person. We've actually got more than that. And then we've obviously got cupboard space here, drawer space, got a cooker here. We've still got the extractor fan to be installed. Now what we do have behind here is we're going to have this as a utility room, so they can actually do the washing in there, etc., and also put a toilet from there as well. Let's jump upstairs and have a look at what they're doing upstairs. Okay, so we're in the off suite at the moment. This is for the second bedroom. Okay, so what we do in a lot of our refurbs, if the 3rd bedroom in the property actually is not big enough for us to create an ensuite on, then what we'll do is we'll utilize this as an off suite. So the actual 2nd bedroom will get their own keys for this, and then that way we can still charge the same, and they've still got their own bathroom. Okay, so it's nice and easy from there. Now we've got the shower tray that has been installed. We have actually started paneling our bathrooms just for maintenance purposes. So it's nice and easy to maintain from a future point of view. Now, the reason why we've actually gone for it is because a lot of paneling, what we've found in the past, has been really, really brittle and breaks easy. We found a paneling that we're actually really happy with, that's actually really, really strong, okay, and flexible and doesn't damage easily, okay. So normally with a normal panel, if I'm putting a load of pressure on that, it would have loads of dents in here. This is nice, it's strong, and really happy with it. So from a maintenance point of view, when you have, like, say, tiles around an actual shower, what happens is the grout over time just goes black and moldy because sometimes the cleaners don't clean properly, okay? Even though they get cleaned weekly, sometimes they don't clean properly. I'm not saying all cleaners, but some do. So what happens is that this will be able to just get wiped down nice and easily. Everything's all sealed, so no moisture can get in through this, and we know that the actual bathrooms are solid. Let's jump into the next bedroom. Okay, so what we've done is we've obviously plastered through the whole property. This has all been plastered through in the hallway as well. So we've kept the original cupboard here. This can be used as storage space, all right? So we can keep cleaning stuff in here if we want to. So this will just be redecorated when the decorators come in here. One thing to note as well, with our actual lights in the hallways, those are all censored, okay? So you'll be able to walk out there and the lights will come on with that as well. So we put TV sockets in every single bedroom as well on the walls. So we can have a TV on here, and we strategically put them there because we when we do the plans for the actual build, the bed's actually going to be here, all right? So what we normally do is we put the radiator on the chimney breast if we can, because it's normally dead space, and we'll put the wardrobe over there with the desk there as well, okay? So with obviously all our bedrooms, even though this is not a licensed HMO, okay, we always make sure we put fire doors on, all right? This is important because if the regulations change later in the future, could do, all right? And this needs to be a licensed HMO. We've got everything ticked in the box. So it's just a matter of getting the license granted rather than us going changing doors, changing fire doors, and also gives you peace of mind as a landlord that this is absolutely solid. All right, so let's come through here. So this is the third and final bedroom. It's at the front of the property. It's probably the biggest out of the lot. We've got the ensuite in here as well. So we've actually created this and segmented off, and we start paneling in here as well. We're just installing the toilets and obviously the basin where I'm standing, and then we're going to have the shower as well. So really happy with the progress at the moment. We're probably a couple of weeks away from here. So a couple of things you need to think about with your rooms, especially in advance, is where your radiators are going, where's your furniture going. So your furniture is going to determine where your plug sockets are going to go as well. So you're able to, get access to charge things and so forth as well, okay? If you guys want to profit from UK property and you want to do projects like this, but you certainly just don't have the time to do it, okay? Whether that's completely hands-off or you want it done for you service, then head to jenicproperty.com where you can book in a call with one of our team, okay? And we'd love to actually hear you and what your future goals are, and we can help you moving forward. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell as well for future projects, and I'll see you guys next week's Refurb Wednesdays.